To me, the key to peace of mind is knowing where your stuff's at and that it's safe. There are 3 things that I use to help achieve that. What's up? I'm Mike from BenderTube, where you get bite-sized tutorials and tech reviews that let you know if you get it or forget it.
If you're new here, hit the subscribe button and click for notifications so you don't miss out on anything.
Now, conveniently, most of the system lives almost exclusively in my pocket. That's the KeySmart Pro and the SmartThings Arrival Sensor. I've always hated keys jingling around in my pocket. The sound is obnoxious, and I've actually been stabbed in the leg with a key before. It's not fun. So when KeySmart started up, I was definitely interested in seeing something different. KeySmart takes your keys and basically turns them into a Swiss Army knife. They fold up nicely, and just like you figured out where your keys are on your key ring, after you get used to this, you'll be flipping out your keys like it's nothing. Now, the Pro part comes in with the added features. It has this handy little built-in flashlight that's great for trying to find the lock in the dark. The real reason I picked this up, though, is for the tile finder. If I can't find my keys for any reason, I just press the button in the app, and it'll start playing its little song so I can find my keys. iOS users can set up Siri shortcuts, which it's a little slower, but it's definitely convenient, especially if you have an Apple Watch or the new AirPods, because you can just go, "Yo Siri, find my keys," and then a couple seconds later it starts playing. Flip that around now, say you can't find your phone for like 20 minutes in your apartment. Double tap the tile button on your KeySmart Pro, and it'll start ringing your phone so you can find it and know that you left it on the coffee table. Because that totally doesn't happen to me like every other day. The difference between this and a regular tile, and the reason I wanted this instead, is because when it dies, I don't have to throw it out. I don't have to change out the batteries. It's rechargeable. Yeah, it's a little silly. I have to recharge my keys, but it's not that hard. It's not like if I don't charge my keys, then I'm gonna get locked out of the front door. On top of that, it's not even hard to remember. Just do what I did. Set a reminder on your phone every 28 days before you would normally go to bed and charge your keys. So the KeySmart Pro helps me keep track of my keys and phone, but what about the rest of my apartment? That's where the SmartThings Arrival Sensor comes in. This lets SmartThings know whenever we leave and when we come back. With the Arrival Sensor and some automations, I can make a bunch of things happen. If we both leave, I can have it turn off all the lights. I can also change SmartThings to away mode and pair that with the last piece of this puzzle, the SmartThings Multipurpose sensor. That means I can get an alert whenever someone opens the door and we're away, meaning I can call the police or do whatever actions are necessary. I also have this set up to turn on the lights whenever I get home at night. 30 minutes before sunset to sunrise, living room lights will turn on when someone gets within range and the mode changes to home. Also meaning that if someone's already home, say watching a movie with the ambient lighting on, it's not just gonna go and blind you when you're sitting there watching a movie in the dark. There are some things I'd still like to improve. I'd like to install a smart lock. That way, by the time I open up the front door, the door to my apartment is already unlocked for me. I just gotta turn the knob. I also wanna find some way to trigger the buzzer. In case I leave my keys inside when I go take out the trash or something, the door locks behind me, I would like to be able to just open an app or tap something on my watch and be able to buzz myself in. The other component I really like to add to this is a couple of wireless cameras. One just to keep an eye on deliveries at the front door, and another one just to record the living room in case of a break-in. Now, I want something with decent capture quality, the ability to view archive footage, and hopefully tie in with SmartThings, but I also want to try to avoid paying for a monthly service or something for it. I did pick up some Wise cameras a couple weeks ago, so I'm trying those out for now, but they're not hitting on everything that I want, so I am still looking. If you guys have any suggestions, let me know down in the comments or hit me up on my Twitter. Now, if you have any questions for me, let me know down in the comment section, and if you want to pick up anything that I talked about today, there'll of course be links down in the description below. And that's it for me today, guys. If you liked the video, found it helpful in any way, leave a like, leave a comment, and as always, I'll see you in the next one.